G'day, today I'm going to be talking about my camera and microphone setup I use for my riding videos. I get a lot of positive feedback about my camera angles and the bike sound I use. So today I'm going to show you how I set up my cameras and my microphones. It is bitterly cold, windy and rains off, and it's been raining off and on, so I'm going to try and make this quick. So for any commentary off the bike I use a Purple Panda mic. Oops, here it is. For the commentary while I'm riding, I have a Sena 10C Pro camera. This camera isn't great, but it's got a really good microphone. Blocks out a lot of background noise. Now for the bike sound, this one's going to be hard to show. Righto, we'll get on this camera here. Righto, if you can see that cable tie just there, right above the exhaust. Up above it is a microphone. It's wrapped in about 5 layers of rag to cut out wind noise. So that's the original exhaust mount. Took me a few goes to find the right spot for this. Rightio, so you've got the microphone up there. The cord runs along the frame here. That's all cord for the microphone, that's all the excess. It runs up the frame. As the cord runs up the frame, it curls up here. When I want to use it, I just pull it out of that clip. Run it up here, goes into an adapter and into the phone. Rightio, so that's the microphone. I'll show you how I set up my cameras. So we have GoPro 4 with a GoPro to RAM ball mount. At the rear I use a long double socket. And I use a ball mount attached to my pillion peg bracket. So this rear view looks really cool on hill climbs. I occasionally get really good footage of other riders if they're riding up nice and close to me. And yeah, any sideways action or the rear locking up, any cool stuff like that. So at the front, this is the left-hand crash bar, another ball mount clamped to my crash bar. I have another GoPro 4, and then this time I use a short double socket. This is the main camera I use. Gets a good view of the track, see what's going on with the front wheel. It does get a bit of vibration from the crash bars, especially at higher revs. So I also have a GoPro mount here. This is something I bought off eBay for about 15 bucks. I had to twist it to get it level. This gives a good view on smooth roads and higher speed stuff. Catches just a little bit of the speedo. And I also have another ball mounted here to my Barkbuster. That's what I use if I'm doing vlogging and I want the camera to look back at myself. Rightio, that rain's starting again. Let's get this, get the phone and everything hooked up and let's go for a ride. I'm going to try and get home out of this rain. I hope you found this video useful. If you'd like to know any more about my recording setup or anything else about the bike, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you next time.